Nearly a year after the Karur Stampede that claimed 41 lives during the Tamilaka Vetrikalagam rally, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and TVK founder Joseph Vijay, during his first visit to Karur on July 10th since assuming office in May, accused the DMK of seeking political mileage from the incident. He also blamed the previous DMK government and the police for failing to prevent the tragedy. Referring to the September 27th, 2025 rally, Vijay said the police neither warned him about the rapidly growing crowd nor exercised their authority to cancel the meeting after the situation became unmanageable. He said he had trusted the police and was later advised not to visit Karur immediately after the tragedy. Expressing grief over the deaths, Vijay announced that TVK would build a memorial for the 41 Stampede victims. He said he had entered politics to serve the people rather than seek political gain and urged voters to give the DMK a lasting defeat in the upcoming local body elections. Without naming them, Vijay accused senior DMK leaders V. Senthil, Balaji and E.V. Velu of corruption, alleging that the previous government had institutionalized graft. He claimed corruption had ended since the TVK came to power, urged people not to pay bribes and said they could invoke his name if any government official demanded illegal gratification. Vijay also alleged that the DMK and AIADMK were working together, describing the AIADMK as a spent force. He reiterated his opposition to the Mekedatu dam project and the proposed delimitation exercise and announced that the government's gold ring scheme for newborns would be launched on the birth anniversary of CN Annadurai. During the visit, Vijay handed over compassionate appointment order to 31 bereaved families and provided 10 lakh rupees in financial assistance to one victim's family. The appointments were made under temporary permission granted by the Madras High Court following the September 2025 stampede that claimed 41 lives. Following the event, Vijay held a roadshow through Karur, drawing large crowds of supporters during his first visit to the district as Chief Minister. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.